Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase brand awareness with Facebook ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your brand and target audience. Identify your unique selling propositions. Research demographics to understand who is most likely to engage with your brand. Create a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't done so already. Set up your Facebook page, ensuring your branding is consistent. Prepare engaging visuals and copy that reflect your brand identity. Decide on your advertising objectives, such as brand awareness or traffic. Choose whether to run image ads, video ads, or carousel ads based on your content strategy. Navigate to the Ads Manager and click on Create Campaign. Select awareness as your campaign objective. Define your target audience using demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set your budget, keeping in mind that testing might require a smaller initial spend. Choose your ad placements. Automatic placements are usually recommended for beginners. Design your ad by uploading your visuals and adding your copy. Incorporate a clear call to action that encourages engagement. Review your ad for accuracy and consistency with your brand message. Once satisfied, click Publish to launch your ad campaign. Monitor your campaign's performance through the Ads Manager dashboard. Make adjustments based on metrics like reach, engagement, and click-through rates. Test different ad formats and targeting options to optimize results. Keep refining your strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Consistency in messaging and visuals will strengthen brand recognition over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.